let's see what are the different methods used inside the stack. So while talking mainly, we have push. Push is for inserting the elements to the stack. So push method, in push method we are going to write the algorithm to enter an element inside the stack, and we will use top pointer to insert the element. And as you can see, we are increasing the top one by one as we insert an element inside the stack. So you can say that we will first increase the top and then we will push the element inside it. So that's push for you. Now let's say for pop also. So a pop method, what it does, it simply returns and removes the top element from the stack. So what it does, it currently wherever the top is, it simply returns that element and just at the top gets decreased, so it starts pointing at the below element, and if there are no element present, that means the stack is empty. So I should change this also. It push method, what it does, it inserts the element at the top of the stack, right? So it inserts an element at the top of the stack, and pop, what it does, it returns and removes the top element from the stack, right? So these are the two main methods which we use in stack. So one is used to insert an element inside the stack, and another one is used to return and delete. So if you want, if you want to see what is at the top element, what is the top current element, so you can use a peek method also, but those are not the mainly used methods, but they are used. So I'm going to write the other used methods also. So other used, peek is one of them. So peek, what it does, it returns but not removes, right? So it's going to return the top element, but it is not going to remove it. So that means we are just simply returning top element and we are not reducing the top pointer, right? So it will be pointing the same element if we peek. So it's not that pointer, the top pointer will not be changing it position. So it returns and returns but not remove the top element, right? So it returns but not remove the top element from the stack. So this is what peek does. Apart from peek, we have size. So it will tell us how many elements are present in this, and we are going to use top in this also. So we can simply return top plus one, that will give us the size of the stack as soon as it is a simple stack created by an array. So size is size returns total element present in the stack, right? So size will return me what is the total element present in the stack. Apart from this, you can also include other methods also, like is empty, right? So is empty, what it will return, it will return if elements are not present, and true will be returned if the element, if there are no element present, right? And is full is another method. It returns true. I should write returns true if stack is full. So is full will return, it will check if the elements are filled, if the stack is filled with all the elements, and is empty, it checks if there are no element present. So both can be done by top pointer only, so we can use top pointer for this also. Apart from this, we can have a toString method also. So I usually do not like to inherit this method from our classes. So I simply create my own toString method. So we can say toString stack toString. So I use stack toString. So this is my own stack toString. You can implement the inherited method also, but I usually create my own. You can use toString also. That's also fine. But stack toString. This will return all the elements present in the stack.